students. It is a testament to how education is not just about gaining information, but about integrating different fields of study to solve real-world challenges. As we proceed, let us give an open mind, participate, and appreciate the efforts behind every presentation. May this culminating activity inspire us all to continue striving for excellence, creativity, and meaningful learning. With that, let us officially begin. Welcome and enjoy the event. Thank you, Jemaya.
Mabuhay, Pilipinas! Yeah.
Sagot ba?
To introduce our esteemed judges for today's event. First, we have Miss William Maria Pinamay Kapispisan, the dedicated advisor of Grade 11 ABM Section Cavite. With a passion for education, Miss Kapispisan has been teaching various subjects, inspiring her students to excel and explore their potential. Her commitment to fostering a positive learning environment has made a significant impact on her student lives. Please join me in giving Miss Kapispisan a warm round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce our esteemed guests who play pivotal roles and shaping the future of students. First, we have Mr. Margit Abao, the advisor of Grade 12 Section 8. Also a passionate teacher of various subjects. His commitment to education and students is truly unbelievable. Let's give Mr. Abao a round of applause.
Next, we have the wonderful Mrs. Joanna Rose Nehar, our dedicated teacher for grade 11, brings energy and enthusiasm to her classes, inspiring our students to stay happy. She also teaches various other subjects, showcasing her versatility and dedication to our school community. Please join me in giving Mrs. Nehar a round big of applause. Now, to keep the energy flowing, we have an exciting introduction number for you. Please enjoy a performance by Solar Beans and the talented members of Amuchan Section 2. Let's give them our full attention. First ay the Solar Beans.
Ay, lilipo sa inyo. Hi, Dexter. Dex. Hi, Tang. Yun ang sabi pala. Iba naman ang buhok. Ano ito yung buhok?
Thank you, Solar Beats, for your outstanding performances. Your talent and dedication truly inspired us all. Next, we proceed to Kamuchan Section D. Thank you, Kamuchan Section D, for your outstanding performance. Your talent and Super thank you kita. Inyo tanan.
Welcome po.
Para ma-organize tayo ng event.
Welcome po.
Thank you kita sa mga. Kung wala ka mo ay,
Waman kami.
umat, kabuo ka event para. Grateful kita ako ang thankful for your help guys. And a special thank you sa amon yung guest, sa unexpected guest na si Ma'am Johanna. Thank you kita ma'am sa pag-participate niya sa event na makakaraan. Sir Marvin, thank you kita sir. And si Pina, unexpected one. And thank you kita ma'am. Thank you ma'am sir for gracing us with your presence and support sa Layaka event. And grateful man kami sa inyo nga presence para kasi ay bunga man ka mo ay pamangit parang gasyoy is manaya para maging yes. Kaya super thank you kita mo sir. I also extend my warm appreciation sa amon na guest, sa high rating entries, ko FESC, Ma'am Maribel at si Ma'am Eds at si Ivan. Pero ay, thankful kita kami sa naka-help for evaluating our high committee entries. Kasi ulit kita ron para kami makaanuman kami, makaugan kami parang prevent like, mag-appreciate kita sa mga talent. Kaya super thankful kita kami. And celebration of talent, creativity, and learnings, and it wouldn't have been possible kung wag kita yung active participation, guys. And para
Ilang minutes?
pinapasalamatan din natin. So atong nahipos nga sa ating teacher, sabi niya sa ganti. Thank you kita Ma'am Nessie. Di ba na akong experience kita kaya na event nga lang kung dahil mo. Kasi ay ino subject tayo nga lang. Thank you kita ma'am. Sa namin may sa feeling na may ano kita nga event makara. Una biyay mako. Magpugala nga ni may tumay kung palit pa naman brown to makara makato. Thank you kita ma'am sa experience. Natuto kami kung paano mag-ubay sa certificate. Ganay, simanin akong event na kami-kami niya kung kaya thank you kita mga treasure ko kita kaya thank you kita mga so much. Makarahay. Sinaploso natin dahil nga event official. And thank you kita tanan sa organizers, ng managpulit,
Si Mati man ako, Ben.
sa mga karon na working committee at
Ben,
tanan kita
Si Mati man ako.
contribute para maging paubra na yung event na success. Thank you kita so much. Ano ito na lang.
Si James talaga ginubungad ah. Ay. Lebe. Nag-edit ka ron?
Si James. Wait, ako ka nag-picture ah. At ako ka nag-picture. I think.
Jonah.
Hmm?
Mas bilin. Ay. May Koreano ta. Koreano ta. Wah. Puro effect ah. Oh shit. Ay!
Wait, galing ka akong dun ah. Ruin, the thumbnail akong video.
Mukbang ka ha? Best friend ay. Washing siya. Ga-report ka ko, pero may gitara. Luis Marias.
Good.
Asa? Apa gapamakiyo? Ay, Makay ko na, makay ko.
Kailangan may credit oh. Oo, isip ko ron. Sa ano, nandang sa ano?
Gangsta! Ganon na naman.
Ayak kay Valerie.
Ay! Subo, subo! Yaki man, yaki.
Bal, may itong video.
May buhok pa si RG. Direct nung natanda na. Ang yan. Haba-haba, patagalin mo. Ayaw.
Kaya bukas ito lagi, oh.
let you know how proud I am of each every day.
My dearest Laguda babies, I wanted to let you know how proud I am of each and every one of you. As your former advisor, I've witnessed your dedication to studying hard and putting in effort to excel in all your activities to reach your goals. Keep pushing forward, and I have no doubt you all achieve great success. I love you all. Basta Laguda, gaarangkada!
Kung maglaguda, makaray mo ron.
Who's that?
Ay, Kobe ka. Basa, Sir Mar! Basa, ha! Basa, ha! Basa, Sir Mar!
Happy birthday!
Ako mo basa? O, sige, sige. Hindi nga, hindi ko basa.
2, 1. Tumaygas, Tino. Today, we celebrate not just the culmination of your hard work, dedication and perseverance, but also the beginning of a new chapter filled with endless possibilities. Each of you has achieved something truly remarkable, and you should be proud of every challenge you've conquered and every milestone you've earned.
Sinangga.
As you step forward into the world, remember that the skills you've honed, knowledge you gained, and the friendship you formed here will remain your guiding light. Embrace opportunity with open minds, navigate challenges with courage, and continue to dream fearlessly. Story na typo. Always believe in your unique abilities to create, inspire, and lead. The future is yours to shape, and I have no doubt that each of you will make an incredible mark on it. Congratulations! Your journey have just begun. Sorry. And the best is yet to come. With pride and admiration, Marvin Abaw.
Ako na mabasa mo.
To the former Laguna, now Section D. Cheers to this happy and jolly section. Paborito ko sila noon kasi pag sila ang class ko, nawawala ang stress ko. Ibig na bakit ako, magiging ganado ako para sa mga susunod ko pang klase. I'm happy for your upcoming graduation. Soar high. Keep on striving for success. Life is not only studies. This is just the start of the next stage in your life. College days is more challenging, but I know you can do it. Nalampasan niyo na ang grade 11 and 12 challenges. Kayang-kaya niyo yan. Kayang-kaya niyo rin ang college. Hindi yan ay mag-asawa. Ay malisod ko para iyas.
Hi, sino gitron?
Ang puso na nay, tupagtuon, agod mapanamit sa inyong future. We are just here praying for your success. Malabo ugang ang mata, kamo lang unahin mo kung hindi ako katano. O basi uwa ako ka-respond sa inyong matamis ng ngiti. Sorry, hindi ako kakita.
Tawag lang ako it mabasko. Thank you for being a part of my life. Laguda, Dino, congratulations.
Ano nga?
Bye, ma'am.
Ano ka na yun, kasi may gagawin mo ko, no? Unang-una, Dino.
Mabunggol!
Worth it man. Worth it man so pag minukay ipilang
Adlaw.
Ilang ba?
2 years. Yes. Huwag tayo mo niya minukay. Awat ko lang sa waan. Siyempre, permit man ako niya ginaapa sa talan naman yung students. Proud kami sa inyong mga achievements. Maskin, may award or uwa, may recognition ka mo or uwa, as long na nagpugod, ang tanan ay makatapos, still congratulations.
Alam mo,
ang maganda, bukan ni palang-alang ang pagbuon niya.
Alam mo,
Ay, pagod kasi. Sa college, actually sa college, ay pumunang palang-alang. Pahugod-hugod. Pinaka-importante kita sa tanan, magpili ka mo 8 barkada nga makabulig.
May sila sa akin.
Factor, yung magiging kahibahan yung sa college. Kasi namin na journey to college. May tangis, may kasadya, may kasunod, huwag ka mo ginahingaan mag-love life as long as ginabutang sa lugar. Makala, nakaka-proud ka mo kada isa lang. Especially dito nag-facilitate dahil na event. Actually, matagid ako masyadong hindi mo kara. Nag-agree ma lang ako, nag-approve pa lang ako. Kung dapat nila itong pasalamatan ka rin ng mga committee, unang-una kita nga nag-approach kay Ma'am Nessie. Ma'am, ano ako kubrakon? Ma'am, tama gunda. Which is ka namin kita sa pamatsyagan. Wow, na akong ginaisip. Actually, di ba dahil community nga hindi na dapat na matabo. Pero dahil kanda, natabura. Kaya congratulations, palakpakan natin. Sa committee ha, tanan nga nag-attend ni Kara, agitawan at hagar ako niya itong hamba nga mag-attend, maskin, kasi last lang manda, tapos na kung utang inyo, tapos man yung utang
bayad yun.
Bayad yun kita tanan. Sigurado ko tama sa community ay may grade yun ta. Except sa mga uwa pa-apermahan na nga, sir. Pero wala akong ginambara nga, tapos yun na, pwede pa ta kamo gihapon mag-comply. Diba? Ito naman ang permit doon, comply para may sumahon si Ma'am. So congratulations, I'm so proud of you. Kapag yung magiging manaming inyong pagpanaw niya sa NIS, at habang nalanda, balik-balik niya kung nahidlaw. Diba? At kung makilita kita sa dalan, ay kung ninyo kami. Ayaw ko ninyo pagtawaran din iba nga, wow, tagapangbuhot, tapos yung tayo
Panis, Ma'am Nessie. Peace lang.
Sa ninyo kami, tawag ka ninyo kami. So, enjoy the journey sa college. Hindi kumbaga, hindi po i-focus pero miss kita sa pagtuon, nagkasadya man ka mo. Bulok na ka mga kasi pag kilita kita na bibigay, at nakamang latay. Enjoy. God bless you. Ang gabay magkikita kita yung mga professional ko. Sa inyong mga personal vision, yung tayo kapay matupad din yung mga pa kayo ko chocolate. Okay, congratulations!
Time to say goodbye. Our day was great now. It's time to go home. It's getting late.